Back in 2009, Dell had about 11 factories, and we had a very complex IT infrastructure that had grown up over many years. Every factory was different. All the IT systems in those factories were very different. It was very, very expensive for us to maintain, support, and it was very unreliable. Any changes that we needed to make was very complex and would take us a very long time to roll out across all the different systems and all different factories. So back in 2009, we really decided to go rationalize that IT footprint, and that's when we started looking at different solutions for doing that. AX was really the prime contender for that, and really enabled us to do that. I'm Matt Griffiths. I'm the Executive Director for Dell's Manufacturing and Supply Chain IT Systems. Dell is a leading provider for technology solutions, primarily in PC and hardware type solutions, but more recently we've evolved our business to support software and services solutions also. We evaluated a number of different solutions from Oracle, from SAP, as well as from Microsoft. The reason we chose Dynamics was primarily because it was compartmentalized and small enough to go deploy on a factory-by-factory basis, which was a key decision for key criteria for us. The Dynamics suite meant that we could roll out individually without having to worry about a big ERP type implementation, and that was one of the downsides we felt with the Oracle and SAP solutions. Dell's manufacturing facilities were completely optimized around the concept of build to order, the basis that a customer can configure any system online and then that order will be treated uniquely all the way through the Dell manufacturing process. And that's still the case today, and a customer can order exactly what they want online. But the reality is that as the PC industry has evolved over the last number of years, the variation that we see between configurations has reduced dramatically. What that's done in the manufacturing area is really driven us to be able to simplify our manufacturing process. We've reduced a lot of automation. We no longer need a lot of that kind of intelligence at the conveyor level, and again, that's kind of played into the hands of the AX solution. Over the last 3 years, we've been rolling out Dynamics. We have shut down several facilities just for geographic and demand-based reasons. We now have 7 factories globally. We've rolled out Dynamics now to all of those factories. All of our product is now completely built using Microsoft Dynamics AX. The benefit was threefold, really. Firstly, the cost savings that we've achieved through the rationalization of our IT footprint was massive. It's $50 million a year. It's what we've seen in terms of IT cost reduction being charged back to manufacturing. That's because we've eliminated nearly 2,700 physical servers from our environment, and we've decommissioned 75 different applications. So it's a really big benefit from an IT management perspective. The second benefit has been around business process standardization. So every factory previously was running different business processes, and one thing we've been able to do with AX is standardize our global business process, get everyone doing the same things the same way. That means that we can roll out new products a lot quicker, we can make changes a lot faster, and so there's a lot more agility and flexibility that we've achieved through AX. And then the third benefit has been around reliability. In our most mature factories, so India, Brazil, where we first rolled out AX, we've seen massive improvements in reliability and stability, and we'll continue to drive that with the rest of our factories and get that down globally. We involved a number of different parties in the evaluation process, including Microsoft Consulting and mcaConnect. We felt MCA really provided a lot of functional expertise, domain expertise in Dynamics AX. We felt that the Microsoft Consulting was very technically focused, and what we really needed was for people who could understand our Dell business process and then be able to convince and explain and demonstrate to our business teams exactly how we would implement the Dell business process using AX out of the box without a significant amount of customization.
mcaConnect is a Dynamics AX specific partner focused on discrete manufacturing for mid-size and large-size enterprises. Dell, being Microsoft's largest customer, provided a challenge to them because they wanted to make sure that they were putting Dell in the proper hands with the right partner to be able to leverage manufacturing experience and to be able to lean out their organization.
So mcaConnect were pretty fundamental to the journey of implementing AX in our factories. They were really able to meet with our business partners, understand the business processes that we were trying to implement, understand the customizations and the uniqueness about Dell and our business model. And they were able to translate those business processes into how we would implement that in AX. So it was that functional knowledge that we were missing from our own teams, that we couldn't get from the technical teams. There was really the business process transformation aspect is what mcaConnect really brought to us.